It's that time of year and the birdies be doo-dooing all over the windshield. Can't have a broken windshield sprayer. Let's see what's going on. We gotta take off these blades first. These old Dodges are pretty simple. Just lift that little lever out. Wiggle it up and there you go. The one in the middle is much more annoying because it's so far away, but it's the same process. Now we have the Torx we need to take out right there. Third time's a charm. There's one. There's two. Now we can open the hood. This whole thing needs to come off of there. So we've got a clip here, here, here. You're gonna use a trim panel tool. If you don't have one of these, a screwdriver will work. See how that whole thing is lifting up now? All right, it fell, but it hit the ground, so that's good. Take the weather seal off. Take the two clips just for one side off. And then just pull it off of there. Don't pull this thing too far back because your washer line is still connected to it and you'll rip it off of there. But there's enough room to work with under it. Can you guys see what was wrong with this one? Popped off of the little nozzle here. So the rubber line actually cracked off of it. It's kind of weird. It's usually a sign that it wasn't big enough. So I'm gonna put this little nut over the line so that I can pull the line out and work with it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna jam it up on in there. This is probably what happened to it in the first place. But it was just stretched out, so it snapped off. But I'm gonna try it again. If it happens one more time, I'll have to go a size up. Then I'll feed it back down in there. Secure it with the nut again. The line is on, it's tight. Just throw it back on. All right, let's see what happens now. Perfect. Put the little felt gizmo back on, secure it with the plastic clips. Get the hood weather seal back in place. Throw all those panel clips back in. This is the one I dropped on the floor. Since I have clearance, I'm gonna go ahead and run these Torx down. And put the wipers on just as before. Move that little clip out of the way. And this is where you'll have to kind of eyeball. You'll have to play with this. Try to get it back down to where it's at the lowest setting that you remember. All right, let's see how they work. They were great. Now I can clean all the bird duty off the windshield. If you didn't see what the issue was, the nozzle is a certain size, the hose is a certain size, and so it just had to be stretched out a little bit larger than I'm sure it wanted to be in order to fit, and over time it broke it off. So this will fix the washers for now. If it happens again, I'm going to go up one size and have to use some sort of a union adapter or something for that washer line. All right, hope you learned something.